Galactic Conquest.
God, you always pick Galactic Conquest.
Well, I'm sorry if I'm good at it.
It takes so long. Why would you want to... Zach, you're just mad because you didn't get the extension for your controller.
Can you pass me the cookie?
Got me Sour Patch Kids?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Be civil, Jack. We have glasses.
So, straight turn, right?
What are you doing? You passed up Felicia.
What's so good about Felicia?
Felicia's like the best map on there, Zach.
Why don't we just do Hunt? It lasts like forever.
How many kills you got?
300. Die, stupid droidica. Oh, look at that! Look at that!
Come out of nowhere, jerk!
I had a great time kidding you, Kevin. I'm seriously doubting that you should be vice president of the Star Wars fan club.
How dare you, Jack?
I might want to demote you.
How dare
That's all
you?
I'm saying.
Demote me? You can't demote
If you
me.
don't even know the difference
I'm
between
vice
career
president.
stats
You can't
and
demote
personal
me vice
stats,
president just
I
because
don't
you're the
care.
president,
I
Jack.
don't care.
You don't care.
I'm calling a
You
vote.
have no...
I have very
You have
strong
no
influence
respect
in the
for
Star
the
Wars
rules of
fan
Star
club.
Wars. God, Jack, you're so...
I'm gonna kill you.
stubborn! You're so stubborn, Jack! God!
Vice President! You're demoted secretary!
God, Jack, how dare you call me a secretary?
I only call secretaries secretaries.
Why?
Secretary?
But I'm the vice president. You don't have your...
Not anymore,
You
sir.
don't have your sword. You choke it with... Choke it with... Just die!
You die.